Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload a list to Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your Klaviyo account and click on the Lists and Segments tab in the left sidebar. Then, click on the Create List Segment button. Choose List and give your new list a name. Once the list is created, click on the list name to open it. From there, click on the Manage List drop-down menu and select Import Contacts. Choose the option to Upload File. Next, select a CSV file containing your contacts. Ensure your file is formatted correctly with headers for names, emails, and any other relevant information. After uploading, map the fields in your file to the corresponding fields in Klaviyo, making sure each column is accurately matched. Click Import to upload the contacts to your list. Once the import is complete, check your list to ensure all contacts have been added successfully. I hope this process makes it easy to upload a list to Klaviyo. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.